1603, James VI of Scotland ascended to the English throne as James I, marking a pivotal moment in British history with the union of the crowns of Scotland, England, and Ireland. This event did not merely signify a dynastic shift, but also brought up profound changes in other ways, like the national symbols, most notably in royal arms. The original Scottish royal arms prominently featured two unicorns flanking the shield. These mythical creatures, symbols of purity and strength, were long associated with Scottish heraldry. However, upon James' ascension to the English throne, the royal arms underwent a symbolic transformation to reflect the new political reality. James I replaced the unicorn on the left side of the shield with the English national animal, the lion, known for its connotations of courage and royalty. This heraldic modification was laden with political symbolism. The lion and the unicorn now stood together, mirroring the union of the two kingdoms under a single monarch. The lion, traditionally associated with English monarchy since the 12th century under King Richard I, also known as Richard the Lionheart, symbolized strength and sovereignty. The decision to place the lion on the left, the position of greater honor in heraldry, underscored the prominence of the English crown in the new union. On the other hand, the unicorn, deeply rooted in Celtic mythology and emblematic of Scotland, retained its place on the right side of the shield. Its continued presence served as a nod to the distinctiveness and enduring significance of the Scottish heritage within the united monarchy. The redesigned royal arms not only represented a blend of traditions from both kingdoms, but also an attempt by James I to symbolize and foster a sense of unity and shared identity across his newly expanded realm. Despite these efforts, the political integration of Scotland and England was fraught with many challenges and resistance, and it would take over a century for a more complete political union to be realized, with the Act of Union in 1707. The adoption of the new royal arms by James I stands as a notable example of how symbols and imagery are used in statecraft to project and promote political unity and national identity, reflecting the delicate balancing act of governance across distinct and sometimes divergent cultures. This change in the royal heraldry was more than mere decoration. It was a visual statement of a new era in British history. These are Interesting Things with JC.